Hi, I'm Joyanne, a beginner virtual assistant. In this video, I'll demonstrate basic email management tasks such as organizing emails, labeling, and responding professionally. This is a sample inbox. What to show here is inbox overview and unread emails. I organize emails by creating labels. Here's how to create labels on Gmail. Look at the left sidebar, scroll and click more. And then click create new label. Enter a label name, for example, is urgent. Urgent, then create. And to reply and create. Next, we're moving emails into folders. For example, the script. Click and hold the email. Click and hold the email. Drag it to a labeled folder on the left side. For example, client. Client and release it. Yan. Conversation. Move to client. Yan. The script. This helps prioritize tasks and improves productivity. And then, I'll show you how to start important emails. Look for the star icon beside the email. This. For example, search marketplace. Click the star, it turns yellow. Important emails are marked using stars so they can be easily tracked and prioritized. Next is to set up application responses. First, click Settings. And then, click See All Settings. Scroll down to Vacation Responder. Vacation Responder. Here. Turn it on. Vacation Responder on. And fill in the details. For example, April 2, 2026. And the end date is optional. Subject is for example, out of office or out of office. Next, the message. For example, hi there. Hi there. For your message. For your message. I'm currently on vacation. And we'll be back on the set date. On, for example, April 6, 2026. I'll reply as soon as I can when I return. When I return. Have a great day. Then, click Save Changes here. Saving. Next is email signature. And here, I'll show you how to create email signature. Click Settings and then see all settings. Scroll to Signature. And here, okay. Click Create New. For example, type your signature in the box. For example, best regards. And then click Save Changes. Thank you for watching my email management portfolio. I am eager to help businesses stay organized and efficient.